In this video, I will be showing you how to watch movies on YouTube for free. Let's get started. I start by opening up my web browser and navigating to the address bar at the top of the screen. I click directly on the address bar, type in youtube.com, and press enter to launch the main YouTube website. As the YouTube homepage loads, you can see all the standard navigation menus on the left side, including Home, Shorts, Subscriptions, and your personal library sections, alongside various recommended videos on the main feed. Next, I move my cursor up to the YouTube search bar located at the top center of the page. I click inside the search bar to activate it and begin typing the name of the movie I am looking for. I type 5 Feet Apart full movie to search specifically for the complete film. Once I finish typing, I press enter to execute the search. The search results page loads, showing different options, including official paid rental listings at the top as well as available video uploads below. I move my cursor down to locate the video result titled 5 Feet Apart Full Movie. I hover my mouse cursor right over the thumbnail, which triggers YouTube's built-in preview feature. As I keep the cursor on the image, a small live snippet of the movie starts playing automatically so I can verify the clip. After confirming this is the full feature film, I click directly on the main title link. This opens up the full watch page, and the movie begins playing right inside the video player. To check the playback and video quality, I move my cursor down to the video player control bar. I click along the timeline to scrub forward, jumping deeper into the movie. The playback responds instantly and smoothly, allowing you to easily browse and enjoy full-length movies on YouTube without paying a dime. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.